What is dendrite in biology? Dendrite. The word dendrite comes from the Greek word dendron, meaning tree, due to the tree-like branching structure of these extensions. A dendrite is a branching, tree-like extension of a neuron, nerve cell, that receives electrical signals from other neurons or sensory receptors. It is part of the neuron structure involved in transmitting nerve impulses. A dendrite is the part of a nerve cell that receives signals from other cells. Dendrites are extensions of nerve cells that help in receiving information. They are covered with synapses where signals from other neurons or sensory cells are transmitted to the neuron, which then processes and sends the signal to other parts of the body. Example: in the brain, dendrites of a neuron receive signals from other neurons. For instance, when you touch something hot, sensory neurons send a signal through their dendrites to the brain to indicate pain.